So, good morning engineering buddies. So, let's continue solving problems. No? May nasingit lang dito pero mag-start na tayo ulit sa solution of triangles. Right and oblique triangles. Pero sagutan muna natin tong problem na to continue. Okay. The sides of a right triangle is in arithmetic progression whose common difference is 6 centimeter. Find the area. Sige. So, ito is to Okay, game. So, let's draw a triangle first to visualize. Let's say we have right triangle here. So, I think we let's say this is side A, B, and C, no? Okay. So, the right side of is an arithmetic progression whose common difference is 6 centimeter. Its area is. So, let X be the side of the triangle. Then, since arithmetic progression siya, alam natin na when we say arithmetic progression, meron siyang common difference. And sabi nga is 6 centimeters. So, ang other sides na is x plus 6, then is x plus 12. Yan yung sides ng triangle. So, let's say yung A is equal to x, yung B is equal to x plus 12, ay x plus 6, rather. Ba't ka na nabubura? Yan. X plus 6, then the C is the x plus 12, matic hypotenuse. So, para natin isa-solve yan, gamitin lang natin ulit yung concepts ng Pythagorean theorem. Yan. Ang c squared value natin is x plus 12 squared is equal to a squared, which is x plus 6 squared. So, dito pa lang, pwede mo na siyang calculahin, no? Pero, expand na natin para ma-review yung algebra natin. So, x squared plus 24x plus 144 is equal to x squared plus x squared plus 12x plus 36. So, simplify natin. Ito makakancel. Yan. So, pag ginawa natin yon, magiging 0 is equal to x squared minus 12x minus 144 minus 36. Let's use our calculator here. (144) minus 36 is 108. So, meron tayong quadratic equation. We can use the equation function here in your scientific calculator. So, alpha mode, then find the quadratic. So, 1, negative 12, negative 1, oh. So, two equations to unknowns. Masasolve natin siya. X daw is negative 6. The other is 18. So, syempre, wala namang side na negative. So, adopt the x is equal to 18. So, balikan natin to. So, ang side daw natin, A is equal to x is equal to 18. Yung B natin is x plus 6, which is 24. C is equal to x plus 12, it means 30. So, yan ang side ng triangle natin. Kaso, hinahanap area, no? Sige. Since ang area naman ng triangle is 1/2 base times height, since right triangle naman siya, so 1/2. Ang base niya is 18, height niya is 24. So, makakuha tayo ng area ng triangle which is 216 centimeter squared. So, yan yung sagot natin. Okay? So, 216. So, letter A siya. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya i-solve, guys. Madali lang. Okay, next problem tayo. Dito na tayo sa solution of triangles. So, let's read it first. An airplane leave an aircraft carrier and fly south at 350 miles per hour. The carrier travels south 30 degrees east at 25 miles per hour. If the wireless communication range of the airplane is 700 miles, when will it lose contact with the carrier? Sige. Sige. Let's visualize. Hanap lang tayo na pwede natin gawing carrier. Ay, mahanap to. Ito na lang kunwari. Let's say ito yung carrier, pero mountain talaga siya. So, sige, para mamalito eh. Kung sabihin natin carrier yan, may carrier ka dyan, tapos may airplane. I-rotate natin para kunwari pag ganun yung ano niya. Yan. Sige. Tapos, may carrier daw dyan, tapos may aeroplano, fly south. So, pag ganyan ang south, no? Yan. So, draw tayo dito ng line. Guys, as I told you, isa sa mga magagandang paano ka makapag-solve ng solution of triangles is to draw a figure based dun sa given. Yan. So, di ba alam natin, speed is equal to distance over time. So, ang distance ito is 350 t. Okay? So, yung t natin na yan, siya yung time elapsed after the airplane left the aircraft carrier. And then, the carrier travels south 30 degrees east. So, drawing pa ulit tayo. Ito, copy na lang natin. Drawing na tayo bago. Ayan. Sabihin natin na may carrier dyan. Nandito na daw yung carrier, lumipat. Ayan. Okay. Good. Ito po. So, meron daw at 25 miles per hour, no? 25 t. Guys, paano pala yung south 30 degrees east? So, east ng south yan, no? So, dito mo ilalagay yung 30 degrees. Sa bearing yan, ha? Direction and bearing. Ibig sabihin ng south 30 degrees east is east of south. So, ano ba? Saan ba east ng south? Diba? Pag bubuka siya ng pag ganyan, 30 degrees, okay? If the wireless communication range of the airplane 700 miles, when we lose contact with the carrier. So, itong distance daw na to. Let's draw another line. Dapat magkadugtong yan eh. Di lang gumitna. Yeah. Edit natin. Let's draw another one. Yan. Okay? So, ito daw yung 700 miles. Susundan yung figure natin, ha? When we lose contact with the carrier, sige, gamit tayo. Ngayon, ito ay isang oblique triangle. When we say oblique triangle, there's no right triangle in it. So, gagamit tayo ng sine law and cosine law, no? So, paano ba natin ginagamit yung cosine law? So, let's say na ito ay triangle A, B, and C. Ang kailangan natin dyan yung time. So, paano ba natin ginagamit? So, using the triangle ABC, ito ang paggamit ng cosine law dyan. Let's say na, ang cosine law kasi ang formula is ganyan. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine theta. Itong theta na to, siya yung included angle. Okay? Ay yung opposite angle pala. So, let's say dito, gamitin natin, 700 squared is equal to yung A squared, sabihin na natin siya yung 350 T squared plus 25T squared minus 2. 350T, 25T, cosine, ang tanong theta na gagamitin mo, 30 degrees, yung opposite angle nung, kung sino yung ginamit mo dito, siya yung opposite angle na, kung ano yung opposite angle nung side na ginamit mo dito sa formula. So, yung opposite angle ng 700 is 30 degrees. So, ganyan yung cosine law natin. So, don't just memorize the formula, no? Itong C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. I-learn nyo muna kung saan nanggaling itong CAB tsaka yung theta, kung anong theta yung gagamitin. So, ayan na. Meron na tayong pwede na natin siyang irekta sa calcu but we can expand it or try natin irekta sa calcu. Bubuo naman ng quadratic equation yan, no? So, meron tayong two equations, two unknowns. Pero try natin kung mas-shift solve ba siya. Okay. 700 squared is equal to 350 x squared plus minus 2 350x 25x cosine of 30 degree. So, meron tayong two values ng isang negative sa positive pero adopt the positive value. So, x is equal to 2.13. So, ang time daw natin is 2.13 hours. So, yan ay sagot natin. Nasa choices ba siya? Yes, nasa choices siya. Okay. So, that's how you will solve the problem. So, oblique pala agad yung unang example natin sa solution of triangles, no? Pero madali lang naman siya, guys, ha? So, as anong tinuro ko siya nung nakaraan, first things first na kailangan yung gawin when solving solution of triangles is visualize the question, draw the diagram, no? Then, sa diagram na yan, malalaman nyo kung right triangle ba siya, oblique, etc. Then, review first, then yung bearing, baka malito kayo, baka sabihin niya south of east siya, no? So, pag ganyan siya, south 30 degrees east, east of south siya. Okay? So, then review the sine law and cosine law. Okay? May mga couple of examples pa tayo for us to understand pa rin the concept of solution of triangle. So, for more tutorials, no, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials, no. So, yeah, let's keep learning, no. Patayon engineers.